Hello, my name is Bishara Yared. I'm the CEO of Look2innovate and would like to introduce a great solution for sanitizing a large number of AV equipment, small AV equipment. And in here we're using them for our audio guide systems or tour guide systems. And this system, how it works is you open the box and you can see you can integrate the units to be sterilized. And this is a UV system. So here, for example, I could put up to 49 units of my audio guides, and it only turns on when the box is closed, so it's safe. You set it up for 5 minutes. Once you close, you have a red LED saying it's working, and when after 5 minutes it turns green, so that means everything's sterilized. You open it, you take out the units, and no COVID, everything is sterilized and ready to be used again. So it's, again, a great product called Look2sanitise, and it is from our company, Look2innovate.com.